This gold beginner strategy will make you a profitable trader. In this video, I will walk you through the gold beginner strategy that I have created to make your life easier when trading gold. So let's hop on a chart and I will show you the entire checklist. I'm going to give away one prop firm challenge account. We partnered up with Quantackle. I'm going to ask a certain question within this video. Type your answer in the comments to participate. Good luck. So here we have the gold beginner strategy entire checklist. We will use two time frames, the 4-hour time frame for the closures and the 15-minute time frame for entry confirmations. So how it works is you will wait for 4-hour closures. Depending on your time zone, what fits your lifestyle, you choose that. It works really good with the London 4-hour closure and also with the New York 4-hour closure. But you can use that for the Asia 4-hour as well. So let me walk you through. What you're going to do is you wait for the 4-hour closure, and here I will give you a few examples while we are walking through this beginner strategy. So here, for example, it's 11 a.m. opening time. So this means this 4-hour candle closes at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can, if you want to, do your chart time on U2C +2. So then you have it on 11 a.m. And what we're going to do now is we are going to mark this dealing range of the 4-hour candle from low to high and then drop down to the 15-minute time frame. So now we know, okay, this from here to here is the highest and the lowest point from that 4-hour candle. And now we're going to wait for a retracement into a nice zone that we can trade off of. So here we have the checklist again. So here, what does it say? Look for 15-minute area for a potential retracement, and it says plus. So lowest 15, you can also use 30-minute and 1-hour areas. These can be demand and supply zones, or also imbalances, or just low sweeps. But it's going to be really easy because you will wait for candle confirmations anyways. So let's just play price. Okay, we get a nice up move from this imbalance on the 15-minute time frame, this one in here, and also a candle confirmation. So it's already enough if that 15-minute candle closes bullish, and we're gonna enter at the close of this candle, put the stops below, and just aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio as it says here. Okay, enter, put your stop below or above the previous 15-minute confirmation candle, this one, aim for 1-to-2, and we're going to put our stop loss at break even as soon as the 4-hour flips, or if we hit 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So we're going to mark the 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio area, and then we know, okay, that's the break even point. Okay, that's the break even point, and then we're just gonna let price play. Okay, now we are at break even, and what did we say? We're gonna aim for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So let's see how price goes. And did we hit the 1-to-2? Yes, we did hit the 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. So you don't overthink. This is a beginner strategy. You don't wait for the pullback whatsoever. You don't do entry refinements. This is advanced stuff. This is a complete beginner strategy, guys. Complete beginner strategy. Don't overthink. just trade based off the checklist. And now I'm going to show you a few more examples so we can enhance our understanding of this strategy. Another example for you guys to learn, and it's again a bullish 4-hour candle closure. This one is from London, so it opened at 7 a.m. UTC +2 and closed at 11. What are we going to do? We're going to mark the high and the low of the 4-hour and then drop down to the 15-minute time frame. And what does our checklist say? Our checklist says that we have to wait now for a pullback into a 15-minute area, or just at least 50% of the stealing range of the 4-hour. And let's just play price. Let's see when we get the confirmation to enter. There you have it, really nice. Even a 15-minute manipulation candle from the 50% of this leg, sweeping this low and this low. So this is a really nice setup. And what did you say? Just enter and aim for at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. At 1 to 1 we go break even. Let's see. Okay, nice. It hit our 1 to 2 really nicely. Yeah, and continues from there again. So I hope this is easy to understand for you guys. If not, we do have a dedicated gold beginner channel in our Discord. Make sure to join the free Discord community and go to the gold beginner channel, because there I also call these trades before they happen. So I say, okay, let's watch out for these areas, wait for a 15-minute confirmation, and then when we get the confirmation, I also say, okay guys, now for the gold beginner strategy, this is a valid entry, etc. And here you can also see that I called these, and people caught some really nice trades through the Discord channel alone. It's time for the giveaway question. What is your plan to become profitable before the year ends? Type it in the comments. Good luck. Okay, so I'm gonna show you now the last example. Okay, so we are in a massive up move, and with this gold beginner strategy you can also catch these really trend heavy trades on gold. What are we going to do? First step, we wait for this closure and then take the dealing range from low to high, and then we drop down to the 15-minute time frame. And again, what do? We wait for a retracement into a 15-minute area or above, but at least it should be around the 50% of the 4-hour, because then the win rate is really high of this strategy. So let's see, do we get a confirmation to enter? Yes, we do. Right in here, a bullish engulfing 15-minute candle stops below the candle, and we're gonna aim for 1 to 2. And again, what are we going to do at 1 to 1? So about around here, we're going to put our stops to break even. So this includes also a trade management protocol for you guys. Okay, this would have been a break-even trade at this point, because here we would have had 1 to 1, and then it would have hit our break-even. Let's see if it would have worked out. Yeah, it would afterwards with London Open would have worked out. So you might have given your trade a second chance, but if it's a break-even, it's a break-even. So there's nothing wrong with that. This strategy has approximately a win rate of 70 to 80%, guys, with a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. It's a very solid strategy for beginners. What's really important with this one is hold your trades, don't close them early. I see that a lot in the Discord. Don't close them early just because you are good in profits. Remove P&L. So don't look at profit loss, look at risk to reward. And only if it makes sense from risk to reward standpoint, then you can take partials, you can close the trade. And don't forget, you put your stops at break even once the 4 hour flips, or you hit a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So this was the gold beginner strategy. I hope you gained some value off of this video, and I'll see you in the gold beginner channel in our public Discord community. See you next time.